Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Queensway arch double door today. Okay, so on our Queensway double arch door, this is a 72 by 96 inch door that we're showcasing. So it measures from outside to outside. So all the way from the outside to outside is 72 inches. All the way from the top of the peak of the arch to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches on this certain door. Obviously different sizes are available, different shapes are available. We have it in a flat top. You can also get it in a full arch and in a half arch if you like. That's a new thing that we're trying to do now. Super rugged door, guys. Like, this is all ½ inch by, I forgot, I think it was 1.5 inches. I don't have a measuring tape, but I'll make sure we document it. On the flat top door, watch the video, and I actually measured it while I was doing the video. I'm sorry I don't have measuring tape on me. But awesome door, very rugged and safe looking door. It is safe because it's iron. These are all solid pickets. So that's all solid, that's hammered to that. This reminds me of Bam's house for some reason, the skater Bam. But whatever, thought it was kind of funny as soon as I saw this. But hope you guys like this door. I'm gonna flip this around, show you guys the back side of this. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Queensway arch today. So show you guys how the glass opens up. Untwist the knobs. Glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass. Clean the well, it's not scroll work, but it's the design of the door. Remember, on custom orders, you can definitely do a screen as an option on custom orders. So I shouldn't call it custom orders, I should call it special orders. So on top, it'll say in stock, special order, and pre-order. So on the center box, you can add a screen and wait 12-15 weeks, or if the lead times have changed as at that time that you're watching the video, but whatever the lead time says on top, you can add a screen to this. You can definitely change the glass and do different kinds of glass. This is a rain glass that's being showcased today. This is oil rub bronze. So it starts off as a black door, then we add bronze to it. It's the most common color that we sell. 90% of our stuff is this or black. Some people like other colors that we offer, and we make those for them. As you can see, the kick plate again, it's duplicated on just like the front. And these are all solid pickets, okay? None of it is tubing. Another thing is on a special order or a custom order, you can definitely eliminate the kick plate if you don't want that. You want more glass, you can take the glass all the way down if you like. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys on the next door. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our Queensway door today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@pinkysirondoors.com, irondoors.com. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you guys.